This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of what craft projects for your home and turn wood craft to income. Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. Today we are exploring something beautiful, practical, and highly profitable. Dressing table ideas that transform daily routines into moments of joy. A dressing table is not just furniture. It is a personal space, a quiet corner, a confidence station, and when designed thoughtfully, it becomes one of the most attractive and sellable furniture pieces in any home. In this video, we will walk through more than 80 creative dressing table concepts that blend elegance, function, and market appeal. Whether you are crafting for your own home or building a product line for customers, these ideas will help you create pieces that stand out and generate strong demand. Let's begin shaping designs that make getting ready not just a routine, but an experience. When you think of a dressing table, the classic image appears: a rectangular wooden table, a mirror, and a small stool. But today's buyers want more. They want personality, convenience, and aesthetic charm. So let's expand that vision. Imagine a minimalist floating dressing table mounted directly to the wall. Clean lines, no visible legs, soft LED lighting hidden behind the mirror frame. This design saves space and gives a modern luxury feel. Floating furniture is especially attractive in apartments where floor space matters. From a business perspective, this design requires less material while still commanding premium pricing due to its sleek look. Now picture a curved-edge wooden dressing table inspired by organic shapes. Instead of sharp corners, the tabletop flows gently outward. Rounded edges not only look elegant, but also feel safer and softer. Natural oak or walnut finishes elevate the warmth of the room instantly. Consider adding built-in vertical storage towers on both sides of the mirror. These narrow compartments can store perfumes, cosmetics, and accessories. Customers appreciate furniture that organizes their lives. When your design solves clutter, it becomes highly marketable. Another powerful idea is a dressing table with hidden compartments. Imagine a smooth tabletop that lifts upward to reveal divided storage trays underneath. These surprise features add value and sophistication. Buyers love hidden functionality. Let's talk about mirrors. A large arched mirror framed in solid wood instantly transforms a simple dressing table into a statement piece. Arches are trending in interior design because they soften a space and add architectural character. Pair this with a slim wooden drawer unit, and you have a bestseller. Vintage-inspired dressing tables also hold strong demand. Intricate carved legs, decorative moldings, and antique brass handles create nostalgic charm. These designs attract customers who love classic interiors. Reclaimed wood finishes can enhance authenticity and uniqueness. Modern geometric dressing tables are another category. Think sharp angular legs, contrasting wood tones, and minimalist handles. Combine dark walnut with lighter maple accents for visual contrast. Two-tone designs catch attention immediately. Compact corner dressing tables are highly practical. Designed to fit into unused corners, these pieces maximize room layout efficiency. For small bedrooms, this is a perfect solution. Functional space-saving furniture always finds a market. Now imagine a dressing table with integrated lighting around the mirror. Not harsh lighting, but soft, adjustable brightness. This feature enhances usability while elevating the product into a higher price bracket. Adding upholstered stools or benches with wooden frames creates cohesive design packages. When you sell the dressing table together with seating, you increase overall transaction value. Let's explore dressing tables with sliding mirrors. Behind the mirror panel, hidden shelves can store jewelry or small accessories. Sliding mechanisms create smooth movement and modern appeal. Scandinavian-inspired designs are another strong direction. Light wood tones, tapered legs, clean silhouettes, and minimal hardware create calm and simplicity. These designs appeal to a wide audience. Luxury dressing tables may include marble or stone inlays on wooden tops. Combining materials elevates perceived value significantly. A thin marble slab inset into a wooden frame creates contrast and elegance. Bohemian-inspired dressing tables can incorporate rattan panels on drawer fronts. This adds texture and warmth. Textured materials bring depth to design and attract customers seeking cozy interiors. Another creative concept is a foldable dressing table that converts into a writing desk. Multi-purpose furniture increases market appeal because customers value flexibility. Large drawer systems with soft close mechanisms improve user experience. Smooth operation is often what separates average furniture from premium furniture. Let's not forget personalization. Engraved initials on drawer fronts or carved floral patterns customized per client add emotional connection. Personalized furniture commands higher pricing. Industrial-style dressing tables combine wood with metal frames. Black steel legs paired with rich wood surfaces create bold contrast. This style appeals to modern urban interiors. Consider adding open shelving below the tabletop for displaying decor items or baskets. Open storage creates visual lightness. Wall-mounted mirrors with detachable side panels create modular functionality. Customers appreciate adjustable configurations. Mirror cabinets with interior LED lighting are practical for makeup application. Bright, yet warm lighting improves daily routines. Dressing tables designed for teenagers can incorporate colorful finishes, rounded shapes, and playful mirror designs. Targeting different age groups expands your market reach. Luxury hotel-inspired dressing tables with long horizontal mirrors and padded benches can attract high-end buyers. Another profitable idea is modular dressing table sets that can be expanded over time. Start with a simple unit, then allow customers to add side drawers or shelving later. Now let's discuss finishing techniques. Matte finishes give modern softness. Gloss finishes create glamour. Natural oil finishes highlight wood grain beautifully. Cable management systems are also important. Discrete holes for hairdryer cords and charging cables improve practicality. Dressing tables with pull-out trays provide extra surface space when needed. These extendable features enhance usability. Storage towers with glass front compartments allow display of perfumes and accessories elegantly. Small vanity mirrors with magnifying panels integrated into the main mirror improve functionality. Dressing tables are not just about mirrors and drawers. They are about creating personal spaces where confidence begins each day. When you design thoughtfully, you don't just build furniture, you build experiences. Start with simple designs. Refine your craftsmanship. Add features gradually. Test what your market responds to. And most importantly, design with intention. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video. So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching. And remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.